Okay, welcome to the next section in the building of Doncaster Airport. I'm going to look at today. I want to look at I'm going to look at the runway, the taxiways. The first thing we need to do is put a big long taxiway all the way down the runway. So I'm going to zoom in. This is in case whenever aircraft have to taxi from one end to the other. Hang on. I have been I've been sort of experimenting a little bit, so I've just got a few things that are a bit ahead of where we are now. Right, so I want to add a runway link. I'm going to start this here. And simply go to the full length of the runway. Oh, what's happened there? Go to the full length of the runway. Oh, sorry, my mistake. My mistake, you don't do it like that. Oh, back again. I forgot then. I forgot then what I was doing. Sorry about that. What you do with these links is you drag them. So you put the first one down. Yeah. And you drag it the length of where you're going. I want this the full length of the runway, just in case anything needs to taxi all the way down. There we are. Now if we land in this direction, there's a chance we could be stopped by the time we get here already. So we're going to do a let me just get rid of some of this. I have been, I'm not so cheating, but I've been trying out a few things. So what I want is a taxi link. I'm gonna have a hold short place here. Yeah. I'm just putting one here for effect, but right. Gonna be open links. This is going to be called C, because this one is C1, C2. What if we can do individual bits? I'm just going to go from gonna pick a point there, and I'm gonna make a path to there. It says that's concrete, but you can't see that. You can't actually see the you can't actually see the actual taxiway it's made because of the height of this map. So I'm just going to control home. Just to push it down. Oh, okay. Okay, maybe that's the wrong. That was an apron link. Oh no, there's nothing at the internet and underneath it, is there? So that's the wrong type of link. I'm sorry, look. Mistake number 2. That's how I did today. Lots of opportunities to make more mistakes. No, we want a taxiway link. So we can go from here. We can drag that to this point. Yeah. And then we can go from this point to this point, and from this point onto our runway. So R2, so good. Let's hit this one. We'll hit this one. We'll get this one. We've got 3 of them there. So this first one is called C2. Can we write that in here anyway? Doesn't matter. C2. Okay. The second one. Let's just call that C. Actually, let's C1. And then let's add a C1. So edit object. C1. Yeah. The serpent, I just drew the serpent here to be where the parking now. I'm going to make it asphalt, the same as the runway and everything else. Yeah. This one. So this one is C1. This one don't have a name because it's really part of it, but it's just part of that. Right, so that's sort of there. Next we want taxiway A. So A1, A2, A1, So up to there, and then we'll call that A2. Up to there. So I'm going to add these names. A1. Add A2. And then put these I'm just putting these hold short places on here because just to add some scenery. Right, so now this apron on our taxiway there to come here. Then we have an apron link like this. And I can just click on it here, can I? The object. This is A1. Let's have a look on Google Earth. I just want to have a look and see what these look like on Google Earth. Oops. If there's any markings. If there's any markings on the edges of them or whatever. There's a center line but no markings on the edges. So center line wants to be okay. I'm not the same for there's what we did up there. These three here, there'll be a edit object from center line. Okay. Edit object with center line. Just made that nice thing on there. I like that. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna do half of this. Yeah, I'm gonna do this taxiway A. Then I'm gonna stop the video and do more of it. Otherwise, the video will be really long, and you won't be. I've got nothing really much to tell you about this process. So, you know, I don't want you to get bored. So, I'm gonna stop the video and do the rest of it on my own, like. So those ones, I just want to list my taxi links. I'll just so that is, says one should be I think if you change the first one, it sort of repeats. There should be one there too now. Okay, that one, that one, that one. If you press shift, you should be able to highlight more than one. Okay, edit object, and this is going to be called 2 now. Okay, so I'm just gonna have a 3 next, which is a straight one between that point and that point. So just make it right up there. Into there. And I just want to change its designation. We now have A3. Okay, we have an A4 as well now. A4. And so, oh, hang on. I think maybe that's a 5, 4, A3, A2, that bit, A1, that bit. Ah, that's A1. And lose a couple of them. Add a whole position there, and then I think I need another one in there. Just stop again. 2 straight. A little bit. Okay, so this bit in the middle. Let's 2, right? These ones I'm thinking, oops, keep pressing control instead of shift. These ones should be the objects picture. Okay, 3. Okay, that. So that's one, and that one. Edit object. 3. One. F3. Yeah. And that's one, I believe. Let's see. Looks like area 4 right up to where that junction is. Oh. That one, I think, then should be C1. Okay, and that one, I think, then should be blank. Where's the junction is? Okay. Right, now, so this now joins that. So we can now go to here. Alright, now, how many, let me Google Earth again, why do I keep turning off? I'm just gonna show you one more thing before I stop this video. Okay. Concrete sections are 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you see? That's where these lanes go. There's 8 of them. So I want 8 gates on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just let's move them about a little bit, have them all facing that way. Straighten them out a bit. Okay, so there's 8 gates. Just a bit overspaced at this end. for that. Okay, so and put some apron links there. This is gonna go right here, and then to here. I'll just remove that link this way, so it's just a bit squarer. Okay, and that's that. Move all the way down here. To that one. Again, I will just move that so it's nice and square. And then come open links just straight out to this point. Right, so all that remains, we're going to have a quick look at this in Flight Sim. And then we'll see how we're going. When you're making your taxiways, don't forget to change the width of them. Yeah. You can get your width data, you should be able to get your width data online somewhere. Here's the runway, the width here, so the alpha, it should be 18 meters. That's all I got here. I got 23 meters wide, so it's a little bit wider than it should be, but I'm not bothered about that, I'm not too worried. Right, over to Flight Sim. Whatever it is, where's Flight Sim gone? Is it not coming on? There we go. I'm just gonna pick that wherever it was. Oh, I didn't compile it. Oh yeah. Don't forget to compile it. Don't forget to save it. Save that part and compile it. Yeah. Right. Yeah. And we'll take a quick look. Oh, I've got lights on here. I'll show you. I've got them. That's something else I've been adding when you haven't been looking. Right, so I'm going to go to slew mode, so Y for that. I'm just going to have a look around. Hopefully at the bottom of here we now have it's not quite joined on correctly. It's not quite joined correctly there. And we're supposed to have a line down the middle, aren't we? I'm sorry, I'm not very good at controlling this in slow mode, as you can see. Let's yeah, we're supposed to have a line down the middle of them. So I'm gonna come off that. Yeah. And I'm gonna highlight all my taxiways. All my taxiways. I did them. Yeah, you should have a line down the middle. Okay. So, have another look. Again, I didn't compile it under that. So, okay. I would only copy because we're only playing it flying today. Don't need that there. Right. One of the things you can do in this is you can connect to flight sim. Okay. Let's move the aircraft to that point. This is us coming onto here. Oh, that's got a yellow line. Oh yeah, that's got a yellow line. Oh, the line seems to be white on. Then we come onto here, and then that's going to where our terminal places are. New view, top down. Of course, obviously it's got different scenery underneath it. But yeah, we've got our... We're doing well, I think. So that's going to be the end of this video. That's going to be the end of this video. And I'm going to put some more of them on. Some more runways. I'm going to finish off the runways on my own. And then we're going to start the next video. Which I'm not sure what that's going to be. But we're going to start the next video after that. So thank you very much for this.